Hey, how you doing? I'm here with my mentor, Karen E. Long, at her Business Made Simple summit. I basically had a great time. I feel more organized. I basically learned the key components, the bookkeeping, the cash flow, the things that you don't think that's important in business, that's actually important. I feel more stable, I feel more balanced, and I feel more prepared, and am able to move forward in the future. So I thank Karen for everything she's done, and I'm looking forward to everything that God has in store for me. Thank
Amen.
you.
And then you got some brownie points today too, didn't you?
Yes, yes. I basically did the first steps of obtaining my business name. I looked into the EIN, registering the business, website. I got everything underway. So I'm looking forward to what specifically I am going to try to go into in order to begin my business.
And you holding up your certificate.
Yes, I received my
Yeah.
certificate in the class, cash flow, profit and loss info, learning about the breakdown analysis, social media and advertising tools, finding the cost of my margins on the specific things that I want to do, and bookkeeping and how to set up a business. So it's all underway. I'm looking forward towards the future and everything that it's going to provide for me, and all of the blessings and all of the wisdom and guidance that God is going to give me to move forward.
Amen. Thank you
Amen.
so much.